Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can draw a line inside the table in Google Docs. So here I've already opened a blank page on Google Docs and I'm going to try to insert a table first. So I'm going to just, for example, use this tables right here. And I want to add a line inside this column, let's say. If you want to just add horizontal line, you can easily go to insert and tap on horizontal line like this and the line will be added. But if you want to add vertical line, you need to use the drawing feature. So click on insert and go to drawing, click on new, and after that you can here just draw the line by clicking on the line button in here on the toolbar. Click on line and then just draw your line in here like this. You can add more than one line if you want to. Okay, you can change the style in here, and after you are done, click on save and close, and just like that the line will be added to the table. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.